Mas pepasik na nga ning Rafael Lazatin Memorial Medical Center o RLMMC, remprogramang pangkabulasan para karenginda at bingut, lalam ng pamanimuno ng Angeles City Mayor Carmelo John Lazatin II. Makatutok king inisyatiba king breastfeeding, maternal nutrition at infant at young child feeding bilang parti ning Mother Baby Friendly Hospital Initiative. Kapag nasana niting apasanting aliwamoing healthcare services, nune pating community awareness at ang aktibong partisipasyon na ng pamilya. Regular agagawa ng RLMMC, reng lectures at counseling sessions king OB outpatient department at OB ward, kabilang ng maternal nutrition, ustong breastfeeding techniques, kalupan ng attachment at latching at antenatal mothers class para kareng mabuktot. King pamanganak, susulong ing unang yakap o skin to skin contact bang agad umpisa ng breastfeeding. Balaos mo naman ng postpartum support, kapabilatan ng counseling, health education at ustong pamanyese kareng newborn kabilang ng vitamin A supplementation. Sinigurado mo naman ng balabadaw sa serbisyo, kapamilatan ng coordination kareng barangay health centers kabang available ng breastfeeding station para kareng inda. Amuyutan ng RLMMC at ng LGU reng inda at pamilya na samantalan la rin programang RETI bang mas mabulas la rin inda, bingut ating mabilog a komunidad. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon, para king News Force Pampanga, balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.